You talk about Callie's fishing show? Yeah, leave it right there in that grass. See that grass in the water? The fishes get in that. Now wait for something to come by and they eat it.
I think I don't have the room. Let me check. I have one.
Yep, just leave it right there.
Okay, something went under over there. I'm gonna cast again. This is my first time fishing back. I made it to third grade, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, watch out.
Look at that professional cast.
Can't cast far, but need to watch my bobber because I'm too old for a bobber. I just watch it because I was just putting, I got it so close to the edge right there, but I actually was right there. And guess what I caught? I never thought I would catch one, but
Hold it right at the bobber. Come on, Hershey. Hold it up to me. Bluegill.
I cast really good. Now watch me. I know this. I'm talking in an accent because I'm able to. So watch my please. Hold on.
That's good.
My line is acting really weird.
The wind's blowing.
The wind's blowing towards you, so it's
Oh,
catching
wait.
it. There you go.
I'm about ready to cast it. Over here, I saw a huge fish walking down in that area. You see that, like, drain type thing? It's like right in that, it's kind of further out. So, I'm going to cast, see if I can get pretty close to it, because that fish might be huge. It'll be my opportunity for it. Just watch me, and if I catch anything, that I'm earning. If I catch the same one, if I catch a different one, just clap. Okay?
Go ahead and cast.
Whatever Papa just said.
You may have to cast it back out.
Watch out, Granny.
Leave it right there.
Oh, my worm.
Leave it right there. Now wait, wait, did you get him? Pull. You got him, reel him in. Reel him in. You did it.
Hurry, get this off.
Reel it up some more. Reel it up. Get it out of the water.
Heavy.
Bring it over.
Oh, why?
Come over here.
So heavy. Heavy fishy.
Now stand your pole beside of you. On the bottom. Now hold it right under the bobber. Now, I'm about out of battery. Look at that fish.
Did you video me getting it out of the water? So, this one's been biting and biting and biting. Look at the worm on his side. He's going crazy, flinging water all over me.